Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Chef Aileen and
I'm little Chef Ian. Hi.
Hola.
We're making Mexican fruit salad. And in Mexico, during Christmas, it's really common that they make this salad because it's good. You can use any of your favorite fruits.
Our mom always makes it first. It is so good.
Amazing.
And you can also make it lactose free.
Yes.
Gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, everything free.
So now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your hair is clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is
To build a gingerbread house!
that's
That's why.
But that's not correct. So let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is
Hit the first
bam. So now let's get cooking. So these are the ingredients for our cream. We're gonna need evaporated milk, condensed milk, sour cream.
media crema.
We're gonna need
A half of a lime. Only the juice.
yes. That's what we have.
Vanilla.
So putting our evaporated milk, condensed milk.
Now that's half. The
Vanilla.
vanilla.
I'm putting the media crema. Get out of there. Okay, good.
So I already put the lime juice. Now I'm gonna put the sour cream.
So we finished mixing it. Now I'm gonna try it. It needs more condensed milk. So I'm gonna add more.
So these are the fruits we have. We have 9 apples.
Yeah, chop. We have blueberries. Pour everything in.
We have
We have strawberries.
we have walnuts, coconut.
Where's the fruits, Ian? We have grapes. That's a lot of fruit. And our media crema. And our cream. So I'm gonna pour it in here.
Carefully, careful.
Scrape off. So now we're gonna sprinkle some of the nuts and the coconut flakes. I thought you were.
And boom.
I think you were.
It's a birthday wet. Said both of Ian and Aileen.
Doop doop.
Kidding, it's just Ian.
So now we're done mixing and it's time to
Try it.
Yes, try it. So creamy.
Wow. It's so smooth. We hope you like this recipe.
It's so fun. It's so good and it's amazing to share with the family.
Delicious.
It's delicious. So now, bye. Make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding. And hope you put a smile on your